Hello, I'm Kavishka. Welcome to Dabik Electronics channel. This is our second video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe us and also click the bell icon, then you can get notification about our new videos. Today I'm going to make a 4x4 LED cube based on Arduino. It can display various patterns as you wish. Let us see what are the components need to make LED cube. Okay, I'm going to make 4x4 LED cube. Then I need 64 LED. An Arduino Uno board. Soldering iron. Soldering lead. Dot board. 4 100 ohms resistors. Connecting rods. Jumper wires. Male connectors and 9 volts battery. Yes. First of all, I need to prepare the LED in proper way. I'm using sandpaper to rough the LED surface. It increases the brightness of the LED cube and gives more colorful effects. Let me show the difference of two bulbs. Sandpapered bulb is more colorful than the other. After the roughing the LED, I made a small equipment to solder the bulbs easily. There is a small pin which helps to bend the negative terminal and also 16 holes which can hold 16 LED bulbs. Let me show how to bend the terminals. First get the positive terminal and bend it up to 90 degrees. Then the bulb insert into hole and negative terminal, turn around the pin once. All the 64 LED should prepare like this. Yes. Now I place 16 LED bulbs in holes. You can see the positive terminal and rounded negative terminal. Then I need to connect all 16 positive terminal together by soldering connecting rods. Here. Now you can see I have 4 layers of LED bulbs. Then I want to connect these 4 in columns. For that I need a dot board. I have already marked the position where the columns are placed. Okay. Then I connect all 16 column rods and soldering them behind the dot board. Here you can see the final structure of the cube. It can be easily made by soldering layer by layer from bottom to top. Now I prepare the Arduino connecting pins. Four resistors and layers should be connected as the schematic shown. To connect the layers I get 4 L-shaped connecting rods. As I mentioned previously, the resistors connected to the L-shaped connecting rods. Now the layer connections are done. Then I have to set up the column connections. Let's see the circuit diagram and you can get better idea about this. This is my final product and connected all equipments. Then I used a box to cover the jumper wires which are connected between columns and Arduino board. Let us upload the Arduino code and see what it's display. Also I'll upload the source code, then you can easily download it in the description below. Yes. You can see now the patterns on LED cube. If you are interested to expand this, you can easily done by adding extra LED. Thanks for watching and be with Dabik Electronics. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Hope to see you again in our next video. Have a nice day.